Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about APLD. I'm super excited because she has been making strides. Before I go ahead and do that, please like and subscribe this channel, the YouTube video. Join the Discord, it's all free. I don't ask much. But back to APLD. I want you guys to see something on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, I drew this pattern. She is in a falling wedge pattern. Patterns or channels or wedges, you need 3 or 2 touches for confirmation. And here we have multiple touches of confirmation in the resistance and in your support zone. Let me go ahead and make this cleaner. All I have to say is that the accumulation is slowly building up. What more I love about APLD is if you guys are TA traders, look at your MACD on the bottom right quadrant. Notice how we're curving and the histogram is weakening. The histogram is right here. You see that? How the selling of the bears is slowing down. And now we're making this slope up where slowly we got the bull stepping in. Little by little we got the bull stepping in. That means that the value of this ticker is deep. Why? Because we are respecting this 382 zone right here. We've fallen below it. We're now hovering around 1093, 1097 after hours. But if you notice the day she has been, previous days, she has been respecting this zone, falling underneath it and getting right back up, but then falling underneath it. So this zone is sort of the battle zone. This battle zone here, where she just always constantly wants to gets back down and it gets right back up over the 382. This is the macro, this is a micro 382. So I just want you guys to know that, the buying has been around this zone, and deep value buying is going to be right here where this liquidity box is. I call it the battle box right here. So if this thing ever gets below literally $10 range, I doubt that she'll even stay longer at the $10. I doubt she'll even get to $10 and last more than a day or two, because it'll get bought up immediately. We've seen that multiple times here. We've seen that multiple times here. I'm on the 4-hour, and we've seen that multiple times here, right? So that just tells you that $10, or I should say $10.90 is where people are stepping in to buy this ticker. It's deep value. Look at the daily chart on APLD. I want you guys to take a look at the daily chart. Look at this. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. What do you guys see? If you guessed right, that's a bull flag. That's a bull flag. Bull flags, you take from the local lows, you draw the local, you take a pole, you draw from the local low to the local high, you clone it. Now, depending on the breakout of this wedge, you're going to go ahead and place it on top, and you're going to get your price target approximately. This approximately, if it breaks out on this trend, let's say, let's actually be a little bit more realistic. Let's say she comes back to the 382, right? Off this trend line. Let's say come back down, breakout. Let's say here, right? Hypothetically. $26 in theory. Now, if we take a look left, we should see some sort of resistance from previous candles. All right, let's see. Oh, bingo. So we have this target here. We have this candle here. We have this battle box here. All this. So that makes sense. That adds confluence. Do we see APLD at $26 anytime soon? Well, with market sentiment, it could be months from now, to be honest with you. Right now, market sentiment is not giving us the confirmation that we are going to be hovering around $26 within 3 months. I want to say maybe in 6 months we can get to $26. Again, market sentiment is playing a role in why she's on a downtrend. It's not so much the company itself. I mean, recent news, if you guys take a look here on the bottom right, they released a white paper North Dakota. Well, I mean, a white paper on where's best to place data centers, North Dakota. And then we have an article that came out. You're comparing APLD to Equinix, trading at $890. Let me go ahead and show you what are we comparing APLD to. Equinix. We're comparing APLD to an $886 ticker, which is a data center play as well. But they're not in the same domain as APLD. I mean, APLD is working on a more, energy efficient data center play and a whole lot of other stuff going on right now. Equinix in the same area, but not in the same battlefield, so to speak. They're not ready for AI. They're not ready for the heavy loads of AI. There's a whole bunch of science behind it and a whole lot of articles behind it. That's my basic understanding. I trade the charts. But what I do know is that we have CoreWeave investing in APLD, which they did, $7 billion deal. We have NVIDIA backing APLD, NVIDIA backing CoreWeave. There's so much positive news coming out of APLD. There is just more to offer. APLD is on a move. This is a deep value stock. This is just one of those stocks where you're going to look back and be like, damn, I should have bought at 8. I should have bought at 10. I should have bought at 12. I should have bought at 14. Because right now, APLD is probably trading at 30, 40, 50. Companies are going to need data center to host their new AI agents or the new AI coming out. If NVIDIA is backing APLD and CoreWeave, that means the validity, who they are, Applied Digital, strengthens. But forget what I'm saying. Fuck what I'm saying. Look at the chart. Look at the 4-hour. Look at your RSI. Look at your MACD. Forget all this bullshit. Forget all this. The company signed a $7 billion deal. And I think if you did the math, 15 years, every quarter, that's $345 million coming in for the next 15 years. All I'm going to say is this video was about showing you guys a ticker, potentially a ticker that can trade one day at around $100. One day. If you like my video today, please like and subscribe. Again, join the Discord. It's all free. I'm going to be charting APLD every day in my Discord channel. And if you guys have other tickers you guys want me to chart, Discord's link in the bio. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.